5 tallest statues in the world. Number 5. Sendai Daikannon, Japan. Sendai Daikannon statue ranks 5th in our list of the world's tallest statues. Sendai Daikannon is located in Sendai, Japan. This huge statue of Laykyun Cannon is the tallest statue of a goddess in Japan. The construction of this gigantic statue was done in the year 1991. There are many large statues of Buddha and mythical kings on the first floor. Visitors can reach the top of the statue at the 12th level and see the 8 Buddhas that are kept in the display in timber cabinets when they walk down the stairs at each level. So all in all, there are 108 Buddha statues at this site. Height of this statue is 100 meters, which is 330 feet. Number 4 on the list is Ushiku Daibutsu, Japan. Ushiku Daibutsu statue is the 4th tallest in the entire world that was constructed in the year 1993. This statue, which is made up of bronze, represents Amitabha Buddha. Ushiku Daibutsu, the statue of Lord Buddha, is positioned on a lotus platform. To celebrate the birth anniversary of Shinran, founder of Jodo Shinshu, the true Pure Land school of Buddhism, this statue was constructed. Height of the statue is 100 meters and total height including the base is 120 meters. Number 3 on the list is Laykyun Sekkya, Myanmar. Laykyun Sekkya ranks 3rd in the list of the world's tallest statues, standing on a 13.5 meter throne. The statue, which is golden in color, is the grand structure of Gautama Buddha. It took almost 12 years to complete the construction of this statue, which began in 1996. Laykyun Sekkya is located at Daikannon near Monwe in Myanmar, where each element of this entire monument was detailed carefully. Height of the statue is 116 meters and total height including the base is 129.2 meters. Number 2. Spring Temple Buddha, China. Spring Temple Buddha is the 2nd tallest statue in the world, which represents Vairocana Buddha. The statue is created in the middle of a lotus-shaped throne. Spring Temple Buddha is located in the city of Henan, China. Statue of Buddha construction began in the year 1997 and took almost 11 years to complete in the year 2008. This huge statue has been built on a hill. It is estimated that it cost around $55 million for the entire project and $18 million just for the statue alone. Height of the statue is 128 meters and the total height including the base is 208 meters. Number 1 on the list is Statue of Unity, India. Statue of Unity from India is the tallest statue in the world, which portrays Indian politician, statesman and first Home Minister of independent India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. This colossal statue is located in the state of Gujarat on a river island that is opposite the Sardar Sarovar Dam in Narmada district. The statue was inaugurated on the occasion of 143rd birth anniversary of Sardar Patel on 31st of October 2018 by the current Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi. The height of the statue is 182 meters and including the base, it's a staggering 240 meters. So that's pretty much it for this week. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Until next week, thank you and goodbye.